Hi, welcome. My name is Laura LaRusso. I am the proud owner of the Skincare Academy of Florida. Thank you so much for inquiring in our school. We're going to answer some questions for you. I would still highly recommend that you book your tour online and you do come in to visit us. I'd like to start first by telling you why the Skincare Academy of Florida is different. Number one is that we are a boutique school. We're small and we're private, and we're like that for a reason. We want every single student to feel like they're part of the family. We don't want anyone to feel like a number. Right now we have 3 programs. We have massage therapy, we have facial specialty, and then we also have electrology and laser, and all of our classes are small. We are also a proud Eminence Organic Skincare School, which means that we teach our students on top of the line product lines. We also use some of the best machines out there. So we're not here to give you a minimal education. We're here to teach you skills that are going to help you get a job, or if the goal is for you to open a business, they're going to give you the skills to succeed. All of our classes are live and in person. We're in a very tactile industry where you have to be the best of the best with your hands. So our teachers are geared to show you every single day how to be working on the public and how to succeed hands-on. We offer flexible payment plans, so you come in with a deposit and we work out your payment as you go, and we offer alumni benefits. We want to reinvest in our students, and of course we want our students to stick around campus. So we offer really fun things like discounts on continued education, scholarships that are only available for our students, and we also have really cool programs after you graduate, like our business incubation program, free class audits, and lifelong mentorship. In our facial specialty program, we cap our classes at 10 students. So you get private one-on-one instruction with your teacher, which comes in handy because we actually teach you a ton of things. So of course, we're going to teach you what the state requires. That's your minimum requirements. But then we're going to advance you very quickly into things like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, radio frequency. We even take you through medical aesthetics. We go through brow laminations, lash lifts, and even dermaplaning. So you are set up for success no matter what avenue you end up going into after you graduate. We have day and night classes available, and tuition includes your amazing kit. As I said earlier, we work with world-renowned product lines. We include that in your kit and everything you're gonna need to complete your program. If you're interested in the facial specialty program, we have class starts every 7 weeks, so let us know how we can make your dreams come true. In our massage therapy program, we have 6 students per class start. Massage therapy is such an amazing skill set. It's an awesome licensure, and you really need to know what you're doing. We take the same approach that we do with our other programs, which is, we just don't believe in a minimal education. So not only do you get to learn the state requirements, but then you also get to learn some tremendously helpful and amazing things like trigger point therapy, neuromuscular, energy work, gua sha, manual lymphatic drainage, you name it, you get to learn it. The last thing about our massage therapy program, which is worth mentioning, is how awesome our kits are. You get a hot stone set, you have cupping sets, you have sheets and towels, and this is literally meant to be a one-stop shop so that not only do you go through school and you learn all these fantastic things, but now you can go into your career right after and use your kit. We also have 1-year professional liability insurance that is included. Our electrology and laser program is such an awesome addition. We just launched it in 2025. We are super excited about it. If you dream of a career in the med spa industry, this is the license to get. There are no prerequisites, so you do not already have to be licensed in aesthetics, although it does help. And our class caps at 6 per module. We have an electrology module and a laser module, and these guys get to learn all the cool tips and tricks on how to remove hair. Your kit gives you everything you need to succeed and pass your state board exam, and we enroll every 7 weeks, so hopefully we'll be able to find that class start that works with your schedule. One last thing before you go, I want to talk to you about our business incubation program that we offer only for alumni. A lot of individuals want to open their own business, and I would tell you it's one of the most rewarding and amazing things in the world, but it's also one of the most challenging. So we've taken some of that challenge away from our alumni. If anyone wants to open a business, they all have equal access to our alumni program where they can launch their business from our own salon suites for minimal price, and they have a set amount of time that they can go ahead and get started. They also have us here to help every step of the way. So if your goal is to open a business, let's definitely talk about the Business Incubation Program as one of our alumni when you come in for your tour. Thank you so much for taking this virtual tour with us today. Hopefully I was able to answer some of your questions. If at this time you want to book a tour with us, we'd absolutely love to meet you, and we can figure out a way to get you started on your dream career. Have a great day. Bye.